Hi everyone, my name is Nazwan and I'm from class BA2536C. So in introduction segment, the purpose of this market or business review to expose students with the knowledge and skill to analyze the market of business based on current situation that happening in worldwide. We decided to analyze the impact of sustainability, ESG disclosure on firm value and financial performance, FP, in airline industry. In an effort to clarify their interaction in this setting, studies on the potential moderating effect on age and firm size also have been conducted. The investigation specifically looked at how full-service and low-cost carriers interact with one another, based on information gathered from 38 airlines globally between 2009 and 2019. The research that have been made discovered that the firm environmentally cost significantly and positively rewarded by the increases financial efficiency. In the air transportation business, firm size is also a significant mediator of relationship between sustainability disclosure and firm value and financial performance. There were 6 factors: political, economic, social, technological, legal, environmental that affected the business that will be discussed in this overview of market. Key highlighter of the article. The article emphasizes the problem faced by the airline industry in worldwide, as well as exploring the impact of ESG score and value and financial performance in airlines industry. Due to travel limitation and decline in demand of travelers, the COVID-19 pandemic has significantly impacted the aviation sector. However, it is also regarded as one of the industries with the greatest sustainability and environmental impact challenges. Aviation has reported been identified as the sector where implementing sustainability ideas in the most difficult, McManus 2009 ANB. Besides that, the movement control order that held by the government in all the countries give a big impact to airlines industry. Although flights either domestic or international have been cancelled due to the borders have been closed and all the foreign travelers and citizens were not allowed to leave the country. There were 6 factors affecting airline industry as I mentioned before. First, political factor. On the political side, national politics play a big role in the airline industry. Airline industry require government intention because they are widely covered by regulation and restriction to avoid issues such as terrorism, which because of that, airline industry related to the political. All the travel, both domestic and international, required government authorization, and all the travel had been cancelled due to movement control order. So second is economic factor. Nowadays, airline or air transportation have become an important and main sector that contribute a lot of percentage to the country's economy. The airline industry is connected to the numerous concepts and consequences that related leisure, recreation, interpersonal interaction and culture exchange. Significant economic and social benefits are provided by the airline industry. It promotes travel, trades, connectivity, economic growth, job creation, improve life standards, reduce poverty, serve as a lifeline for isolated people and allow for quick emergency response. And third is social factor. During the pandemic COVID-19, movement control order was held in all countries and lead to the flight cancellation. All domestic and international travel has been imposed. The pandemic still recovery process and some states allow domestic travel but the borders still closed and international travel still remain not allowed. The airlines company received a massive refund request from passengers. Besides that, people are more intent to spend their money on food supply rather than travel and saving their money because the government still not allowed to travel.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shazril bin Shahrudin. Now we will proceed about the factor that affecting the airline industry. We have a technological factor that can affecting the airline industry. The advancement of the aircraft engineering technology can create an aircraft engine that can have a lighter fuselage structure, provide a benefit to the company operation. Saving in operation cost trigger an increase in the company financial performance and have a positive effect on the company ESG assessment. Next, we move to the environment factor that can affect the airline industry. The relationship between the environmental activities and the airline value is tempered by a firm size. The interaction between the environment and size is a negative and a substantial across all panels. It has a substantial and negative impact for a larger aircraft. Then that can rise in a market to a book ratio may not be matched by an investment in environmental initiative for this aircraft or airline. And the last one, we have a legal factor, that is, in the aviation industry, passenger safety is a very important thing. Various rules and laws have been set by authorities to ensure the safety of the flight. The ESG can prevent losses due to the accident and have a negative impact on the company financial performance. All airlines must comply with the law and follow all the standard operation SOP. Now we move to the comment and conclusion. For the comment, in relation to that, every rule and law need to be tightened so that this kind of incident does not happen again in the future. All parties need to implement and carry out their responsibility with a full trust and concern in order to create an efficient system that can be benefit to all parties. And then the last one, for the conclusion, based on the pastel analysis that has been done in the aviation industry, it has proven that the ESG score and the financial performance have a significant impact to the aviation industry. Although the author does not discuss all the aspects in the pastel analysis, there are aspects that greatly influence the ESG assessment, namely economic factor and environment factor. By identifying this factor, ESG score and financial can be improved, and companies are also able to analyze problem and find a solution to make more effective and efficiency in their company. That's all from me. Thank you.